Have you ever wondered why understanding the evolutionary history of flowering plants is so vital? This question may seem a tad scientific, but it holds the key to a world of discovery. The evolutionary history of flowering plants is like a time capsule, storing a wealth of knowledge about our planet's past. It's akin to a botanical detective story where each plant provides clues about the environment in which it evolved, the creatures that pollinated it, and the way it adapted to changing conditions over millions of years. Each flower, leaf, and seed tells a part of this grand story. But let's get specific. Understanding this evolutionary history can offer us deeper insights into plant classification, conservation, and even medicinal discoveries. It's like having a botanical roadmap, guiding us through the interconnected pathways of life on Earth. Now, you might be wondering, how do we uncover this history? Well, it involves a bit of groundbreaking science and a whole lot of collaboration. Picture this: 279 scientists from around the globe, all working together under the aegis of the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew. Their goal? To construct a comprehensive tree of life for flowering plants. This wasn't a small feat. The team had to decode and analyze a staggering 1.8 billion letters of genetic code, collected from over 9,500 different species of plants. It's like piecing together the world's most complex jigsaw puzzle, where each piece is a tiny strand of DNA. So why was this study so revolutionary? It's simple. For the first time, we now have a detailed, comprehensive map of the evolutionary journey of flowering plants. It's a monumental achievement that paves the way for future discoveries and a deeper understanding of the rich tapestry of life that adorns our planet. This research, a significant milestone in plant science, used no less than 1.8 billion letters of genetic code from over 9,500 species. And with that, we've only just begun to unravel the intricate story of flowering plants and their place in our world. Now, you might be wondering, how did the scientists manage to analyze such a vast amount of data? A question as large as the data set they worked with. The process was far from simple, but the team was equipped with advanced technology and a spirit of international collaboration that made this monumental task possible. Let's delve into the technological side of things. The scientists were faced with the Herculean task of analyzing 1.8 billion letters of genetic code from over 9,500 species. Just to put it into perspective, that's like reading all the books in the British Library, not once but twice. The sheer volume of data could have been overwhelming, but this is where their innovative approaches came into play. Instead of being deterred by the size of the data, they embraced it, utilizing cutting-edge technology to sift through the genetic information. Sophisticated software was employed to sort, categorize, and analyze the data, turning billions of letters of genetic code into a comprehensive, intelligible tree of life. It was like finding the proverbial needle in a haystack, but on a much grander scale. Of course, the technology was only part of the equation. The study was also a testament to the power of international collaboration. Hundreds of scientists from around the globe came together, each bringing their unique expertise and insights to the table. This collective effort allowed them to overcome the challenges and make sense of the genetic jigsaw puzzle. The study also allowed for the inclusion of diverse plant material, even incorporating historic herbarium specimens. These specimens, some of which have been preserved for centuries, offered a fascinating glimpse into the past, allowing the scientists to trace the evolutionary lineage of flowering plants back to their roots. Despite the hurdles, the researchers successfully navigated the vast sea of genetic data, leading to unprecedented insights. The result was a groundbreaking study that has significantly enhanced our understanding of the evolutionary history of flowering plants, reminding us that in the world of science, no challenge is too vast to overcome. So, what makes this study so significant, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the heart of it. This research is groundbreaking in its field, primarily due to the comprehensive data set it provides for understanding the evolutionary history of flowering plants. You see, by using 1.8 billion letters of genetic code from over 9,500 species, scientists have been able to construct a detailed and expansive tree of life for flowering plants. This isn't just an academic exercise. The data gathered and analyzed in this study is a treasure trove of information, offering a profound understanding of how flowering plants have evolved over time. It's like having a time machine that allows us to travel back millions of years, witnessing the branching paths that have led to the diverse array of flowering plants we see today. Furthermore, The study sheds light on the evolutionary relationships and diversification rates of these plants. It's a bit like mapping out a giant family tree where you can trace the lineage of a rose or a lily, see where they diverged from their common ancestors, and understand the evolutionary pressures that shape their unique characteristics. This study also underscores the importance of international collaboration and advanced technology in pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. It's a testament to the power of collective effort and innovative approaches in overcoming technological challenges and making significant strides in our understanding of the natural world. And why does all this matter? Well, by comprehending the evolutionary relationships and diversification rates of flowering plants, we gain insights into their success and dominance on Earth. We start to understand why there are so many species of flowering plants and why they are so prevalent in nearly every ecosystem on our planet. This understanding enhances our grasp of the plant's dominance on Earth. So in essence, this study isn't just about plants. It's about life, evolution, and our place within this intricate web of existence. How does this study impact the field of plant science? The ripple effects of this groundbreaking research are vast and deep. To grasp their true magnitude, let's delve into three key areas of plant science that stand to gain immensely from these findings: plant classification, conservation, and medicinal discoveries. Plant classification is the bedrock of botany. By constructing a comprehensive tree of life for flowering plants, scientists have created a massive data set that allows us to understand the evolutionary history of these plants. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we classify plants, making it more accurate and efficient. It's like being handed a detailed map after wandering in the wilderness. The path forward is clearer and the journey less daunting. Conservation efforts also get a shot in the arm from this study. Knowledge about the diversification rates and evolutionary relationships of flowering plants can help us identify species that are at risk. It helps us understand why certain species are more dominant than others, and importantly, why some might be struggling to survive. This insight can guide conservation strategies, ensuring that we protect our planet's floral diversity effectively and efficiently. Finally, let's talk about medicinal discoveries. Plants have been a source of healing and health for centuries. With a clearer understanding of their evolutionary history, we might be able to identify species with untapped medicinal properties. Imagine finding a plant that could hold the cure for a disease we've been grappling with. The possibilities are truly exciting. So we're not just talking about a study here, we're talking about a tool, a guide, a treasure map that could lead us to a host of discoveries and breakthroughs in the world of plant science. Indeed, this groundbreaking study has paved the way for a more profound understanding of our planet's floral diversity. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Today, we've traversed the evolutionary history of flowering plants, understanding the groundbreaking study led by the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew. This mammoth task involved 279 scientists who meticulously constructed a comprehensive tree of life for flowering plants, decoding 1.8 billion letters of genetic code from over 9,500 species. We've delved into the process of the study, exploring how international collaboration and advanced technology played pivotal roles, overcoming technological challenges and harnessing innovative approaches to analyze the colossal amount of data. We've also discussed the significance of the study, how it sheds light on the evolutionary relationships and diversification rates of flowering plants, offering crucial insights for plant classification, conservation, and medicinal discoveries. And finally, we've considered the implications for plant science, recognizing how this research marks a major milestone, providing a colossal dataset for understanding the evolutionary history of flowering plants and enhancing our understanding of their dominance on Earth.